Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can blur face or faces inside Capcut. It's actually pretty easy. This is my video example on the timeline. This is basically a 4-second clip. And now I'm going to try and blur out this guy's face throughout the whole clip. So we're starting out from the beginning of the clip, making our timeline playhead in the beginning, in the very first frame. Highlight our video clip. And then you want to go to Effects, look for a blur, and add it over the video. You can pick either of these blurs. One of them is for the free version and the other one is for the pro version. Doesn't matter which one you're using. So select mask here on the right side, select add mask, select the circle. Now basically this circle is blurred out. I'm going to increase the feather just a tiny bit and shrink down this circular mask so that it's fitting his face like that. And now we have to track the position of that mask. So starting out from the first frame, we're going to select this mask settings. This will create our first keyframe, and then we're going to go throughout the video and we're going to adjust the mask. This is going to create a keyframe. So going further into the video, I'm moving the mask as I move my timeline playhead further into the video. And now it should be looking like this. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.